Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm here. Um, Third week of December reads start from the 15th through the 21st of December 2021. This reading is going to be for the sign of Taurus. Let's see how this week is going to be for you guys. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading and so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the signs and messages that resonate and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out other services that I offer as well. So Taurus, let's see what is coming ahead for you for this week time, starting 15th through the 21st of December. Let's see. Let's begin. Page of Cups. Somebody's opening up about their feelings, emotions, love. Somebody's feeling like maybe they need to take action. It can be somebody wishing to come towards you. It can be you wishing to take action towards someone as well. Let's see more cards here. Three of Wands. I feel like it's if love, relationships was not on your mind, I feel like now something is making you think about it. If you always felt like maybe you don't want to pursue love life right now, maybe you don't want to take any action when it comes to your love life, the need to take that action will be very strong, especially in the very first couple of days of this week time. You would feel like you have to take that action. You will have that urge to take that step towards your specific someone that you are interested in. I feel like you might be seeing them in your dreams a lot lately, and I feel like there is going to be some sort of a divine pull that you're going to be having for your specific someone in this week time. Let's see more cards here. Yep, I do see you taking action. I do see you taking a step towards this person. You will be communicating with them because it's something that you will not have the you will not be able to resist that urge. Basically, the love, the pull, that need to communicate to this person is going to be very strong. And I feel like with the white bird here, I feel like it's more of the darkness is definitely going away from this connection. For some of you, you might have been under some sort of influence of not so positive energies as well, which could be coming from surroundings. It can be black magic for some of you, but it's not going to be for black, for majority of you. It's going to be for very few of you. There could be some evil energies influencing your connection, but I feel like that's going away. And if the connection had become so stagnant, stuck, I feel like if you felt like every time you have something beautiful to come forward or to look forward to, you always stumbled upon some sort of a block. I feel like that is not gonna happen now. You will be in that situation where you will see like finally things are moving forward. So you would have to take that action towards your specific someone now, because you would feel like everything is supporting your love for this person, your decision for this person. So you will have a support system working with you in the favor of this connection. So I do see communication coming in after a long period of time, because I do see that there had been some clouds of doubts, fears, negativity around this connection, but now those clouds are definitely getting clear. Let's see more cards here. Wow, a passionate new beginning is coming ahead for the two of you in this connection for sure. It's more of a manifestation for some of you, where you are going to maybe it's your person's energy who are silently working towards it. It can be your own energy as well towards this person, but I feel like somebody's manifesting it silently. This communication, this new beginning is definitely going to happen because somebody is really manifesting. I feel like for majority of you it is going to be the energy of your person. Let's see some more cards here. King of Swords, Six of Pentacles. The divine help is definitely with you there. Yeah, the dream, desire, wish that you wanted or that you have around your love life is definitely getting fulfilled. Um, I feel like for some of you, you might have become so egoistic around this decision in regards to your love life, and if that had happened too, that is also going to end. Again, there is some sort of negative um, or not so positive energy around this connection that was affecting this connection in a negative way. Now, this could be because of the influence of other people around you, which basically was stopping this connection from moving forward, but that is going away. And again, I feel like, the communication is going to come through. The need to talk to each other is going to get stronger. The need to start something new with each other is also going to get stronger. Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Wands, a new beginning is definitely happening in this connection. Reconciliation, patch up, taking things to the next level. Whatever that was stopping this connection and blocking the two of you from coming together or taking things to the next level will go away. You will be getting your wish granted with this person. The stress that you were having around the whole situation, shall I do this, shall I not, will also go away, and you will be starting a new beginning with this person where you are going to have a abundant future with this person. So I feel like this week is going to be the time where you are, if you are in no communication, the communication will happen. Whatever the situation is, if you have been having some off and on with your person, I feel like that stability would be coming back in this connection as well. I feel like the things, people, situation that was stopping this connection is going to go away. Underneath the deck, we do have the Tower. Underneath that, we do have the Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords, and underneath that, we do have the Emperor. I feel like this week is going to be the week where you are going to break free from the mental, physical, emotional blocks, and like I said, the negativity that I saw in this spread as well. I feel like it's more of you steering clear from all of it to take action that was much needed. So let's see the oracle cards here. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read for you guys. Talk to the nature. Spending some time in the nature is going to help. Again, if you really want to manifest a reconciliation with your specific someone, you can use talking to the nature for that as well. For some of you, you could be dealing with the air signs, and prayers will be answered. I do see that already. So whatever you wanted with this person, you will be having that now. Needs clarity to move forward for some of you. You would need clarity to move forward. Maybe the clarity would be coming in as well. Again, as you choose to take action, the universe is going to bring forth whatever you need to take that step forward towards your person. You know what to do next. Listen to your intuition. Happily married life is coming ahead for you. So I feel like a major shift and major blessings are coming ahead. New beginnings are definitely coming ahead for Taurus in regards to your connection that was kind of stuck and stagnant earlier. So I do see beautiful changes coming up for you in regards to your connection with your specific someone. Let's see more oracle cards here. Experiencing grace. Share your gifts with grace. Waves of inspiration and love are coming to you. Wow, I feel like this energy of an emperor is also reflecting here in this card. I feel like somebody is really, really, really graceful here. It can be you, it can be them as well. And I feel like it's high time that this person, whoever it is, you or them, have to take this graceful step forward in regards to this connection to have the happy married life with each other, because you both love each other very strongly, and definitely getting your wish granted. No more blocks, no more influences of evil energies, negative energies in your life, in your love life. And finally, that that new beginning, that wish that you had with your person is coming true. I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. I feel like again, this is the same message that I felt with the manifestation there. So I feel like it's very important for you to listen to your intuition around the situation that you're currently dealing with. And if the urge to talk to that person is getting stronger, listen to your intuition and take that action towards them. Last card, express your love. Go ahead and make that romantic gesture. So if this is you who has to take that step forward towards your person, take that step forward. Reach out to this person. Express your love. Whatever it is that you want to let them know. Talk about, whatever it is that you want to talk about, and just let them know what is it that you have been dealing with. Be open around, whatever that had been kind of, keeping the two of you apart. But yes, I feel like it's a very important phase of your life during this week time, because you will be talking to them, you will be sharing your heart out to them, and you will be creating a new beginning here with that specific someone that you really want to have a happy married life with. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If it helped you, do like, share, and subscribe. Till I do the next read for you guys. Take care and bye-bye.